At Mer, we like to make things easy for you. That's why we give you the choice to charge your electric vehicle as a guest user or by registering on our network for all of our public charge points. This is a Mer Ultra Rapid Charger. The power range on these can be up to 150 kilowatts. As a guest user, you can charge using contactless payment and the app. With contactless payment, connect the cable to your vehicle, select debit/credit card option and hold the payment card on the payment terminal to start the charge. To end your charge, select End Charge on the touchscreen and hold your payment card on the payment terminal. With the app, you do not need to sign up with us. Connect the cable to your vehicle, download and open the Mer Connect UK app. Click on Find a Charge Point, select the charge point and swipe to start the charge. To stop the charge, swipe Stop in the app and disconnect the cable. A receipt will be sent to you via email following your charge. If you are a registered customer, log into the Mer Connect UK app and follow the same steps. To charge with a Mer Charge card, create an account on the app or the driver portal to order it, connect the cable to the vehicle and hold the charge card on the charger screen to start. To stop the charge, select End Charge and hold the charge card on the screen and disconnect the cable. Detailed instructions on how to use the charge point can be found on the charger.